Hi, it's Plu here, and I thought what I'd do is I'd show you what I do for cool running when I try to keep up to date with what's happening. You've been around my house here, so you've seen different things on the different videos, so we're going to try something different. So I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put my headphones on so hopefully you can hear me a bit more clearly. That's all right there. So I'll just be focusing on the left-hand side of the screen, so you'll see me sort of wandering in and out, so see how we go, okay? Right, the first thing I do in the morning or the evening is I go to Cool Running and go to the website. So once I'm at the website, I know what I've got to do, see what's happening in the world. Occasionally, I might go over and if I've got some podcasts in particular, I'll press the edit button and I'll go in and add to the news. So that's one thing I do. The next thing I do if I've been for a run or I'm sort of planning my day is I go to my blog and I sit down and I say, all right, this is what I'm going to do today and this is what I've done. So it'll give you an idea of what's happening on that front. Now, after that, I go to Google Reader. Google Reader is the ants pants for keeping up to date with Cool Running. I have all my blogs I'm interested in on the left hand side, just here, so you can see them there. And then what I have on the right hand side is my stuff on, where's my stuff gone there? What's running there? I have all my stuff on the running just there. So I'm just waiting for that to come in, and I have my Cool Runners there. So what I end up with now is scrolling down. That was a few runners. Now scrolling slowly is a real pain. It takes too long. But Google Reader has got this really good function where you press J and K. So I press J, I jump to the different blogs that I follow. I'm sure there's some blogs I'm missing. So if you're not there, let me know your blog and I'll keep track of you. But it's hard to keep up to date with everyone. So I scroll down and I can see different people. Like Len's getting ready for the Central Coast Half Marathon. All round a dribble from Canberra's going for a run. I like following Scott Dunlop, he's an ultra runner. Just scroll him down a bit, he always has some interesting photos and things like that. Now he's got a really long post, so I don't want to read all of that, so I'll just press J again. Nando, bit of a niggle, it looks like. What is it? Yeah, it's his knee, and it's after his cycle to the gong. Hope that goes well, Neil. Fix yourself up. And then a few other things there, so I go through. So I just follow different people's blogs and see what they're all up about. Tim's got there you go, live TV. Tim's got the Great North Walk coming up, and it's raining here in New South Wales and Sydney and Kiama, so I think he's expecting to get wet. All right, keep going. So we keep going down there, and that gives you all the different sort of bloggers that are available. And there's 2B who's done another 5K run for 927 kilometres for the year, and I'm still behind him. Okay, now the next thing I do is I go to Facebook. Facebook is really useful. And you go up the top to Facebook and you can see here I have my account. I have a little status section where I've said, if you can read it, I'm happy with my second fastest 6 kilometre training run in 31:17 last night with an average heart rate of 139 and I did 5:13 per kilometre. Then if you scroll down you can see in Facebook, you can see what the other people are doing by the feeds that are there. And I also have up on the side here straight posts to my blogs and other people's blogs, so I find that really useful. Down here is the final way I keep up to date with other people. It's Twitter. There's not many cool runners using Twitter at the moment, but it's an ability to actually just state what you're doing in 140 characters. So I am doing I can't spell webcam for cool running. And then I just go send it. So that's okay. That's how that works. I just press update and away I go. And increasingly more and more people are using this, but I think for cool runners, it's something you can think about. So I'll just minimize that, put me in the center here so I can say hi to you. As you can see from the background shot just here, that's Avoca Beach where I do one of my 6K runs. But that's what I do with Cool Running and keeping up to date. So if you haven't used Google Reader, give it a go. If you haven't used Facebook, give it a go because there's a lot of cool runners in there and it's really nice to catch up with them in a different context. And Twitter, if you want to try something new and different, try that as well. Okay, that's Plu signing off for the time being, and I'll catch you a bit later. So I stop the capture. No, I won't stop it that way. I'll go this way. I'll stop the capture there. So the video stops, and I go down here to Mimeo Recorder and stop. Bye for now.